emails that we've been receiving over the past several weeks.
Here is a winter weather statement from the National Weather Service in Taunton, Massachusetts, issued at 11:40 this morning. The winter storm warning for Cheshire and Hillsborough counties in southwest New Hampshire has expired. Significant snowfall has ended. Therefore, the winter storm warning has been allowed to expire. There may still be periods of light snow this afternoon, especially from Jeffrey to Worcester and Willimantic.
Perfect. 2 marks in a row to start out for Rich Lottie in the second string. Steady, consistent, smooth delivery.